now it's quiz time.
Yay, my favorite time.
Let's see how you did from last week's questions. So the first one was, why did Tiffany's do so much better than expected?
Well, Tiffany's is a high-end jeweler. It's global. Inflation in materials, gold, diamonds, etc. Hard assets. You know, they do well in inflation times. Overseas is still booming. The dollar is weak. All those things add up to Tiffany's doing pretty darn well.
People are buying a lot of gold jewelry.
They love that gold jewelry. Don't you?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
The next question was, what's the best way to deal with our fiscal situation?
Well, the way to deal with pain, the best way to deal with pain anyway, is to share it. So shared pain and avoid catastrophes and crises when we can. So it would behoove us to get rid of some of these problems ahead of time before they actually really become problems. And if we can all agree that we're all going to have to take some pain here, that'd probably be the best way to go.
Next one was, how should you deal with financial pain?
Right, same question, right? So there's 3 ways you can do it. You can ignore it, which is the ostrich defense. We don't recommend that. You can avoid it. That's running away from it. Or you can fix it. And my favorite, of course, is to fix it.
Fix the problem.
Fix the problem so you can move on. Got to move forward.
And last one is, should we go on the gold standard?
Well, we're not going to. That was part of the question too. There's no flexibility in the gold standard. It would certainly disadvantage us over the rest of the world if we were the only ones on it.
Gold.
And of course, we don't have enough gold. The rest of the world's got at least as much gold, if not more gold than we do. So it would make us poor overnight. So we're not going on the gold standard. We shouldn't go on the gold standard. So no, we're not going to do that.
Do you have some new questions?
Yes, I have a few. The first one is, why do we look out the foggy windshield? If you've been paying attention for the last year or so, you should be able to answer that one. The second one is, what are the potential curves ahead out the foggy windshield? Third one is, how do you calculate an expected return? We just did the math on that. And the fourth one is, and you'll have to stay tuned to this, do we even need a stock market?